You know, I once heard a joke about a roof. It went like this: why don't roofs ever apologize because they're always over your head? But let's be honest, a roof that's not properly installed is no laughing matter. It's like a hat with holes in it. It might look okay, but it's not doing its job. Now let's dive into a subject that's often overlooked: the importance of proper flashing in roofing installations. Flashing, for those who might not know, is the unsung hero of any roofing system. It's like the goalkeeper in a soccer match. It doesn't get all the glory, but it's vital for a win. Flashing prevents water from seeping into your home. And we all know that water and homes mix about as well as oil and water. Picture this: a man spent all day building a doghouse for his beloved pooch. He stepped back, admiring his work, only to find that he'd forgotten to install the flashing. The first rainstorm came, and his dog ended up wetter inside the doghouse than he would have been outside. So remember folks, don't be like this man, always install your flashing. Now, imagine a castle, a grand, majestic castle with tall towers and a sturdy stone wall. But even this castle, with all its grandeur, wouldn't stand a chance against a heavy downpour without proper flashing. It'd be like a knight going into battle without his shield. So, if flashing is important for a castle, imagine how crucial it is for your home. And let's not forget the tale of the three little pigs. One built his house out of straw, one out of sticks, and one out of bricks. But what if I told you there was a fourth pig? This pig was a bit smarter. He built his house out of bricks too, but he also installed proper flashing. And guess what? His house was the only one that didn't have leaks during the rainy season. So be like the fourth pig, always ensure proper flashing in your roofing installations. So, flashing is like the secret ingredient in your grandma's famous apple pie. It might not be the first thing you notice, but without it, the pie just wouldn't taste the same. And much like that pie, a roof without proper flashing just won't stand up to the elements. In the grand scheme of things, installing proper flashing might seem like a small detail, but as we've seen, it can make a world of difference. It's like putting on your seatbelt when you get into a car. It might seem insignificant, but it could save your life. Or in this case, save your home from water damage. Alright folks, that's all the time we have today. Remember, don't be like the man with the soggy doghouse. Be like the fourth pig, the smart one who installed proper flashing. And if you need help, call RonOvations at 647-760-7663 or visit our website at www.ronovations.k. And hey, if you found this video helpful or even just amusing, do us a favor and smash that like button. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more roofing wisdom and hilarity, because remember, a good roof over your head is no joke.